Zach Grillings, and this is my customer, Taylor. I've been working with Taylor over the past year, and she works for a company called Future Foam. I've ran numerous amounts of loads for her over the past year, and now I'm here to ask her for the exclusive rights to a new opening facility. Today I'll be showing you the relationship close. Hello, Taylor. Thank you for meeting me today.
Of course, Zach. It's no problem whatsoever.
So I know the last time we talked, your son was applying to numerous universities. How is that going?
It's going great, actually. He got accepted to Duke and University of South Carolina, but he hasn't picked a school quite yet.
That's amazing. Well, tell him congrats. Both very prestigious schools.
Thank you very much. I'm very proud.
As you should be. Well, would you mind if we jump into some business?
Of course. Let's get started.
Well, as you know, we've been doing business together over the past year now, and it's been a very successful partnership thus far.
Yes, it has, and I appreciate your commitment to meeting all of our needs.
Of course, Taylor. It is my pleasure to help you guys out. So, I also heard that you are now opening up a new location in High Point, North Carolina?
Yes, we are, and are very excited because it will be our second largest shipping facility in the U.S.
Wow, that's awesome. So, over the past year, I've helped you run over 100 successful loads that have all been delivered on time and intact. No issues whatsoever. So now I'm here today to ask you for the exclusive shipping privilege to run all of your loads out of that new location.
That is a pretty large request since this will be a huge facility. I am just unsure if you can handle that sort of volume. It is a big change from our current arrangement.
I completely understand your concern, Taylor, and I know it will be a big change, but I'm 100% confident that I could get the job done. Well, how about this? Maybe we could approach a situation like we did when we first started working together. You give me a large trial run to see the results before you making that commitment.
That actually sounds like a great solution up front until we work together a bit longer and you show you can handle the volume.
How about you give me half of the loads that come out of that location, and then we'll go from there.
That sounds great. I'm very confident you'll be able to handle this as you have in the past, and then if you are successful, as you have been in the past, then we can talk more about giving you the exclusive rights to all the shipping out of North Carolina.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for this opportunity and choosing TQL to work with over this new project. Also, good luck to your son, and let me know where he decides to go.
Thanks.